wondering if we could ask you a few questions.
Sure! Just don't get too close. I wouldn't want to poison you.
So you admit you're quite the poisonous creature?
Well, my skin is, but I've never tried to poison someone on purpose, if that's what you're thinking.
And what about by accident? Say, on the Monsoon Express train?
If anyone got poisoned by me, they'd be really, really sick. That's why I was extra careful not to touch anyone on the train today.
Ah!
I believed him, Sam. That frog's poison is way worse than whatever gave those passengers a rash.
Better cross him off the list.
Which brings us to suspect number 3, the spider. Now, this neighbor, I don't know too well, mostly keeps to herself.
Hello? Anyone there?
Yes!
Ah!
What are you doing trespassing here?
We just have some questions we'd...
Ha! Bursting into my home with your questions. You are guests here, and I don't need to answer any questions. Out!
Uh-oh.
Run! You better run!
Kate, what's happening?
She must be a spitting spider. They spit poison.
It's a dead end!
We have to jump! Come on!
And don't come back!
Anyone get any poisonous spit on their skin?
No, but I think you got some on your backpack.
Careful not to touch it.
Well, I guess the spider didn't cause the rash either. We didn't see any spit globs on the passengers, did we?
Hey, nice detective work, Hoodie.
Oh, well, thank you. I have my moments.
Hoodie's right. This takes our spider friend out of the running.
Ow,
What's wrong, Sam?
I tingle and itch. A rash, just like the passengers. But that means... Whiskers, that's it. It was you.
Me? What are you talking about?
You're the only creature I've come in close contact with when I grabbed your feathers to swing across that canyon.
Poisonous feathers? Who ever heard of such a thing?
Hoodie, what's that you've been snacking on all day?
What this? It's just my tasty beetle bites. Now, where are my manners? You want one?
Beetles. Aha! It all makes sense. These beetles you're snacking on are a teeny bit poisonous.
I never noticed before. How come I'm not sick?
Those beetles don't make hooded pitohui birds sick, but the poison in them must go into your feathers and make them poisonous to anyone who touches them.
But that means this is all my fault.
It's okay, it's okay. Now that we know it's your beetle snack, I can whip up a cure.
Oh, much better. Thanks.
I'll be extra careful with my feathers from now on.
Well, Kit, I guess that's another creature case.
Wait! I gave one of my feathers to a bird on the train, but wherever she is, she's in danger.
What are we waiting for? Come on!
I've seen her on the train before. I think I know where she's headed.
I just hope you're right.
Oh, there she is!
Hello, my grand birdie. Miss me?
Phew! Nice save, Hoodie. Now, let's head back to the train station. There! That should do the trick. Thanks! I feel better already.
Glad to hear it.
All aboard the Monsoon Express!
It's time I hit the road again. I talked to the engineer, and she's made a special car just for poisonous and venomous creatures. Later, agents!
Another creature case closed.